Hey guys, Dan here with Battlefield Curator. I got some news. As far as military surplus goes, the CMP has gotten some really nice M1917 rifles back in. Now, this is pretty much the CMP South store, and I believe the CMP Talladega store as well. I'm not sure about the North store. Now, there's really not that many though, so you might have a month where they'll stock up a bunch of M1917s, and that's it for the month or maybe the 2 months. Here's the thing, you used to be able to get a CMP M1917 about a couple years ago for around $750 or so. They've raised their prices. This is the big thing for the M1917s. The field grades, they're going to be at $1,000. And the service grades, they're going to be priced at $1,100. So, if you're going to plan to go to the CMP to be on the lookout for M1917, make sure you check out the CMP South forums and the Talladega forums. There's a guy on there, PH68. See when he posts the inventories. He does daily inventory posts because you cannot call the CMP and ask about inventories. So, if you really want M1917, also consider the price that they've raised them to as well. In other CMP news, they've recently announced that they're bringing back the Advanced Maintenance class. What is the Advanced Maintenance class? Well, it's a class where you can pay in advance for the class fees and play for the Garand rifle, and you can go to the CMP South store and the Talladega Marksmanship Park, but it pretty much is a 3-day class where you get to learn about the maintenance of M1 Garands, which means you get to pick out different parts and put together your own M1 Garand. That's right. These classes were halted due to the pandemic, but because pandemic woes are now over, they are starting to bring this class back. If you wanted to attend the class with a buddy, they also have buddy classes available. Now, because of the high demand of these classes, it's based off of a lottery system. The registration for the lottery will open November 27th, 2023, and it will close on December 22nd, 2023. So you only have roughly a month to get registered for that lotto system. And from there, they have class dates already set up throughout 2024. And you also have to realize that this is a $2,000+ course. So definitely plan your finances in advance. And you also have to pay a portion of that up front before you even get to the class. Or else there's some fees associated if you also decide to cancel out. For more information, go to thecmp.org and look up the Advanced Maintenance class. I put the link in the description for you guys. And while you're down there in the description, also check out my merch site, BF Curator. Consider purchasing a shirt or a hoodie. I definitely appreciate it, and it really helped me bring more military-related information to you, as well as American history and military history stuff. All right, so we've talked about the civilian marksmanship program. They've got these things up here, but what about if you are a member of the Garand Collectors Association? A lot of people that buy from the CMP are Garand Collector Association members because it's a cheap entry fee. It meets one of the requirements in order to be eligible to purchase from the CMP, and you just get a newsletter about every quarter that has M1 Garand related information in it, or World War II stuff, or history, American history, military history. There's a lot of cool things in that magazine. So people that are a member of the Garand Collectors Association will now have to pay a higher annual membership cost. Beginning at the end of 2023, they're going to raise their annual membership from $25 to $35 if you live in the US. It'll be raised to $55 if you're international. I think it's worth that much for that membership fee. If you are definitely buying from the CMP, whether you're buying Garands or whether you're just buying surplus, or if you just want to get that annual newsletter, I think $35 is not a bad price still. But yeah, if you guys don't know about the Garand Collectors Association and how you can be eligible to purchase M1 Garands at a very, very low cost from the CMP, I've got a video in the description. I'll link it up here. You guys can check that video out. It goes over a lot of things. Also check out thecmp.org for more information on eligibility requirements. And one quick little extra news blurb here. I know a lot of you guys are complaining about finding .30 carbine at a really cheap price. Right now, Royal Tiger Imports has surplus .30 carbine. They have it from World War II and Korean War era. So if you want the cheaper of the two, you can get US made Korean War era surplus 30 carbine for, I believe it's 80 bucks for 120 rounds. So go check that out if you're interested in 30 carbine. Well, that's it for this video. I'll be sure to see you on another video. And with that being said, make sure that you pulverize the like button and subscribe if you haven't. It really helps out with the channel. And check out that merch site in the description if you haven't. And as always, be sure to learn history and curate history. Make it a great day.